Hi guys, and welcome to episode 5 of Getting Dev Working by Decker Does Rust. In this episode, I'm undecided. I'm going to check whether Git's installed on Ubuntu by standard sort of form. Apparently it's not, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually install it. Mainly because I want to actually work on GitHub and whatever with anything that I actually create. So this is installing. Normally I'd pause during this, but I'm doing a few different things at the moment because I'm going to literally open up a few different bits. I might actually keep to doing the other thing, to be honest, but that's fine. Okay, it's going to be a little bit of setup anyway for this. So let's go on here. If we go on github.com, I'm already logged in. Decker Does Rust, there we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new repository, just specifically. Should just call it Rust Hello World. Fairly straightforward. It's pretty much going to be there we go. Perhaps I should put capital Y and a capital T for YouTube. It's rather impolite not to. So we'll do that. It's going to be that. Create repository. So I've pretty much got to do something like this. So we'll do that in a moment once Git's initialized. Hopefully Git would be initialized by now. I did go and sort of start Firefox for no particular reason. I was going to go onto the GitHub there, but no. Okay, so a couple of things I want to do. I'm going to go into the projects folder. I'm going to remove that particular Hello World. As you'll see, we have an empty directory. What did I just call this? It's Rust Hello World. So I'm going to literally create a new cargo project. So cargo new Rust Hello World. Oh, it's a binary file as well. -- bin. Okay, it's created the binary application Rust Hello World. Yep. So a couple of things I need to do. First off, I've got to set up Git. So let's make sure Git's working. So yeah, so Git's actually there. So I've got to do like Git. What was it? I forgot how to set up Git. So it's like, what's it again? You've got to add user to globals, isn't it? Setting global user in Git. There we go. Set your username in Git. There we go. Git config user.net. Can you do it as globals? There we go. Set username with the following command. Specific repository, enter the following command root folder of your repository. Oh right, so that'll actually do it directly to that repository. I didn't actually know that. I just thought you're doing the global one anyway. But that's great, actually. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that's fine. So if we do this, git config --global user.name Decker Does Rust, and same sort of thing but for email. I believe. Email. Oh, which email did I use for this? I'm actually have to have a look. Let's have a quick look at this. I've got a feeling I used Gmail one for this, but I'll double check first, just in case. Let's have a look. Does it have my email in anywhere? Your profile. That's not good if I don't know my email. Oh, what was it? So there's two possibles. It was either my Outlook one or my edit profile. See if it's in here. How to remove verified email address in your personal email settings. You can see my email now. There we go, look, yeah, no spamming. So it was my Gmail one, that's fine. I don't actually use this for anything other than this, so it doesn't really matter too much if you do spam it, but preferably don't, because it's just impolite. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the start again of this. Go to my profile. There we go. So let's do it with that one. Okay, so that's actually done for, whoops, I keep doing that. I'm going to CD into the hello, is it Rust hello world? I forgot now. Don't think debug. Yeah, CD Rust hello world. And let's double check this, that's fine. I'm going to do a quick build. Cargo build. Just doing a compile basically. Cargo run. There we go. Now it's got a target directory, so what I'm going to do for now, I think there's nano on this system. So I'm going to nano dot slash, or actually dot git ignore. It's already ignoring the target directory anyway. Okay, that's fine. That's pretty good actually. So it knew that I needed to ignore that anyway, and I haven't even initialized a git yet. So now if I do a git init, existing, yeah, that's fine. So now I've done a git init, I need to set some stuff for this. So I'll do a git status. It's got a few things there. It's ignoring the target directory, which is great. So if I do a git add dot and a git status again, it's now going to add these files into git. So I'll do a git commit. Do an initial commit. It's now committed those. So now I can do a git push. Oh, actually, I've got to set up the origin first, haven't I? I do believe it was telling me about that earlier on. Oh, I don't. Yeah, I have, haven't I? I've gone and got rid of the page where it had up for it. Actually, yeah, let's go in there. I think it'll have that page still up. There we go. Remote add origin, blah, blah, blah. Save me typing it. So I'm just going to copy that. Let's do it that way. Save typing. So git remote add origin and then the actual repository. And then I think I can do a git push. I think that should do it. What's it moaning about now? Warning, push default is unset. Its implicit value has changed in git 2 from matching to simple. To squelch this message, maintain the traditional behavior used git config global push default matching. To squelch this message and adopt a new behavior, now use blah blah simple. When push default is set to matching, it will push local branches to remote branches that already exist with the same name. when put since Git 2 defaults to more conservative simple behavior, which only pushes the current branch to the corresponding remote branch that Git pull uses to update the current branch. Git help config search push default. Further information, simple mode was introduced in Git blah blah blah. Use some remote current instead of simply, or sometimes use older versions of Git. Fail, the current branch master has no upstream branch. To push the current branch and set remote as upstream, use Git set upstream origin master. Paste that. Need my username. Decker gone. No, it's Decker does Rust. And password. Hopefully that's the right password. I just thought. Failed authentication. That's good. Well, it's not good, but I know what I've got to do. Username Decker does Rust. There we go. Seems to be fine. New branch master to master. Done it again. There we go. So now I can check on GitHub to see how the actual hello world or Rust hello world is, and it seems to have took in all the stuff. We've got main RS for initial commit. Okay. So we've successfully done that. At the bottom of the video, you're going to have a copy. Well, you're going to have a link to the GitHub repository. You'll also have a link to all the previous things that we've done as well here, and the getting started of Rust as well. I'll also do a link to this particular part as well, just so you've got your bits and pieces if you need them. So I think we'll leave it there. It's been a little bit longer than all the other videos. It's been like 12 minutes, so we'll be alright with that, I think. So in the next episode then, so originally I was going to do editors and stuff in this video, but we'll have to do that in the next episode because I've kind of gone off on one on Git and setting up repositories and stuff like that. So again, let's see, is there anything else I need to actually do whilst I'm doing this? Because we've got that sorted. I do need an editor of some sort, so what I'm going to do is that a thing? Forgot about sudo as well, actually. Can't remember whether it's gvim or vim gtk. Oh, typos all over the place. There we go, it's got. Okay, we've got a lot of different candidates for gvim. I'll leave that for another time because I'm going to have to kind of decide on what I want to do for the editors and stuff. So